This is my 2021 G80 M3, and today we're gonna be installing this CenCal Motorsport stainless steel valve catback exhaust. It's T304 stainless steel with the brush tips, and it's fully valved. So my current setup is the CenCal catless downpipes with the active AutoWorks single mid pipe, and then coming to the rear of the car, it's still in the stock muffler. And this is one of my least favorite things about this car, this huge, ugly stock muffler, which also quiets it down a lot. As you can see, this aftermarket muffler is much smaller, so it's gonna wake the car up a lot. And the stock actuators actually work on this exhaust, so you're able to control the valves with the M1 and the M2 button. But before we get started, let's see how the car sounds right now. The G80 sounds pretty good, but we're gonna make this thing sound a whole lot better. Let's get the new system on and see how it sounds.
All right, we're starting this install. I'm gonna start by taking off these valves, right? Because we're gonna reuse them on this aftermarket exhaust system. There's 3 10 mils right on each side, so total is 6 bolts. Boom, all 6 right there. These right here are the only tools you need for this install. You need a 13 mil extension, right? And a 13 mil wrench. Boom, hop up in there. Crazy. Trying to loosen this shit up and it feels like it's tightening. That is no bueno. That is not what you want to see. Not a lot of the time, but these bolts, right, they'll start to fuse together because they get so hot, right, from the friction of the thread. So that's kind of what's happening with this. It got like, it's kind of seized, so it's probably gonna end up snapping that bolt. Boom. What'd I say, bro? Look at that. So it ended up snapping, and we're throwing new hardware in it anyways, but that's why hitting them with the impact was not taking them off. So now we got one more. Bang, there it is. We're out. So it snapped 2 out of the 4 to get them out. Boom, there's half that bolt right there. Hopefully this goes better now, right? So I'm gonna actually leave that one for now. We're gonna take this hanger off, right? There's a 13 mil here.
Let me do this one.
Green, brother.
Got shit in my eyes, bro. That's why I don't work on.
All right, you want to put gloves on so you don't get your fingernails dirty?
Oh, we bringing it down?
I mean, we got 4 more bolts. Can't get the hands dirty. That's the keyboard warrior right there. He's not gonna say it, but he gets manicures.
I don't, bro.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, I would deny it too if I was him. Boom. There's one. I like taking a long ass time because Bryce is holding it. So, and then we got one more, right? But
He's gotta take his time, bro.
Yeah. I take my leisurely stroll, right? Move the cart out the way. Try to line it up for Bryce. And then we hit that. Boom. And then I go like this, right? I dump the nut. Pause. That sounded bad, but I dumped the nut. Definitely had an exhaust leak too. I seen it when it was up in the air. Look at that. I could probably pull it out.
Damn, you didn't loosen that?
No.
Damn, that's crazy.
That's probably why it was so loud.
We about to get right with the CenCal exhaust or what?
Mm-hmm. You know it.
Yes,
you ain't
sir.
never gonna go wrong with the CenCal.
Look how much better it looks, bro.
So this right here, make sure when you're installing this, swap the gloves because you're gonna get dirty ass handprints on it. Gotta have clean paws when you're working on the fresh steel. Those motherfuckers are clean. A lot of the times, like when it's an older, higher mileage G80, right? These stick all up in the mid pipe and then you have to like fish it out or put new ones in. And we just ran out of our new ones. So I'm hyped. These look, those are gonna be chill. Leave them up there.
We're gonna see how this thing sounds. We're gonna see how this thing sounds. Downpipe down?
It's gonna be coming straight out of here. No restriction, right? Nothing to it except downpipes.
I think it's gonna sound like shit. No?
It'll sound sick.
Alright, bro, give me
You're gonna get a code though for your exhaust valves. Oh,
This guy's so strong. You ready?
oh, we're ready. Hey, that's what I like to hear.
I don't like it, bro.
That shit sound racist.
It does. It's a little too much.
Can we take it on a spin like that?
Drop it.
I'll put it back on the lift if you do a fat pull with no exhaust.
Is it good?
Yeah, it doesn't know.
No.
There's nothing in the exhaust except the valves. Are you? Do you want to?
Yeah.
For the video?
I'm down for the video.
For the nookie,
Let's
bro.
rip it.
I
Hit
do
the
it.
anti-lag?
Yeah.
Yeah. We doing it.
sound crazy. It's crazy how much exhaust quieted.
It is. Like, it's just pipe. Like,
Well, because look, this is just, it's all straight,
straight
except
pipe.
for that.
Yeah, but I mean, when the valves are open, it bypasses it. So, I mean, when this exhaust is on, there's no restriction at all. No resonator, no muffler, no nothing. But when you drop the exhaust, it's like 100 times louder. It's crazy.
Yeah, downpipe dump. That just sound like a tractor for real.
Crazy, bro. It's so loud. Should we rip it?
Yeah.
That's just shooting flames straight out the we menacing now. Now I'm with the boy Nick, and we're about to rip it.
This shit's loud. This shit gonna be fun, bro. It'd be sick to fab up like a 2-to-1 dump.
It would be menacing though. It's a little too much.
Yeah.
Bro, this is the most fun car I've ever been in. Holy shit.
Bro,
Holy shit. It's a race car, bro.
that
It's
makes it feel like a
fucking
fucking race car. That is crazy.
That it's so loud.
That's what you're trying to get out of it.
Yes.
That's what you want. It's
Take your exhaust off.
your exhaust, bro.
I think you should just leave it like that. Leave it like that forever. Sell it like that, see how it goes.
It feels 10 times faster.
Oh, bro, it feels like 1,000 wheel, bro. Should we pull her back in or give it one more?
I think do like a slight burnout. Don't do no fourth gear shit, but you know, give it some fucking.
Bro, this thing's fucking crazy. Should we give it a little first gear rip? It sounds insane.
Yeah,
it sounds crazy, bro. We were just telling them it feels like 1,000 wheel now. Like,
You know how big
it feels so fast,
this
bro.
shit-
Yeah, let's get Caden's reaction.
Dude, it makes it feel triple as fast. Like no joke, bro. You take the exhaust off any car and let it fucking eat. Turbos don't like back pressure, right? I'm not saying exhaust necessarily give it back pressure, but it does make more horsepower with no exhaust.
Feels faster?
Oh, bro, it's fucking crazy.
Alright, bet.
It's loud from outside?
Yeah, it's fucking loud from outside. Damn, bro, you're floating. That sounds insane.
Wait till I do a second gear pull right here.
I can't wait for the pull though. That wasn't as cool as the pull, I don't think. Like when you hear that bitch come up and it just floats, bro, and the exhaust tone changes, especially when you're like in it. You gotta ride in it, bro. Like that it's unexplainable. Snappy is first, always.
Tell me not, bro. That shit feels fucking crazy.
Dude, that shit's fast as fuck. I looked thought you were gonna crash into that car.
I know, bro.
I got hella
it's crazy.
scared, nigga.
It feels way faster.
Oh my god, bro.
I know you saw the fucking flame under that.
I didn't.
Did you?
No.
Bro, replay that real quick. God damn, dude.
That has me a little scared, bro.
It's scary.
It's scary.
It's menacing too. Like, you obviously couldn't drive around like this.
Yeah.
Oh shit. 12.
Yeah. No, you definitely could not drive around like this. Close the valves, close the valves.
No valves, no valves.
Close the valves.
Close the valves. Bro, there's no valves. Let me turn this thing off. Show him the cop, show him the cop. Oh, my heart's racing, bro. I hate the cops.
He's turning left in here, but... Alright, cops did in.
Yo,
Driving right by the
a cop drove by, so I'm parked up real quick.
Yeah. You're good. I assumed.
Yeah. I'm coming back in a
He's
second.
passing us right now. Put the camera down.
Okay, should I pull back up or?
Yeah, we're giving him directions to get away from a cop. Let's take a. Yeah, just don't rip it, bro. Just
Yeah, I won't rip it.
chases you down and says, bro, you don't have up-to-date tags.
Not even about the exhaust. That guy was telling me to chill because the cop.
Yeah, tapping his head. Yo, cop, 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 cop.
I don't know. He was in the car, bro, and I was just skating down the road, bro. You can't hear anything. Like, you don't even know where you're going. Like, you're just.
It makes you go like this.
Yeah. No, seriously, bro.
It's a brain jumbler.
Dude, when we first ripped it, I was like, oh my god, bro.
You'll see it in the clips, bro. We were just like,
It's a little menacing. So let's put something street legal on the car, and then see how that sounds. Let's get into it.
all right, we're back after the shenanigans. I'm gonna start with the mid-pipe piece, right? They are very hot right now, so I'm just gonna get it all set up, something like that. Put this nut up to hold up the mid-pipe. Just finger tight, right? Let it hang. And then I'm gonna start with the muffler first and then just work our way together. So all of our exhausts come with aftermarket valve actuators, right? We're planning on using the stock ones because we want to use the M1 and M2, right, still. So we're gonna take these aftermarket actuators off. But moral of the story, long story short, we're switching to aftermarket actuators, right? I'm gonna keep the spring because I don't know what those look like in there. Might have to look at it first, see if they'll even work. No rattle.
It's a rattle, bro.
Weird.
No rattle.
We're having an argument right now if these are 3.5 or 4.
I think they're 3.75.
Really?
Yeah, I do.
I say 4. He says 3.5.
That don't look like 4. Oh, it's 4. It's 4.
When the tech tells you, trust the boy.
The master tech. Bro, the master, bro.
$25 an hour tech tells you.
Alright guys, so we got the exhaust installed on the G80 M3. Shout out to our boy Nick. We're ready to see how this thing sounds, so let's take it out on the street and give it some rips.
It's good, I like it. With the valves closed, it's like almost as quiet as stock, and with the valves open, it still gives that like crazy loud noise, almost kind of like the opened up, but a little more tame. So let's go take it out to the road and see how it sounds driving.
And we got the car all set up. The exhaust is on, we're about to go rip it. As you guys saw earlier in the video as well, we connected the valves to the M1 and the M2 button on the steering wheel. So the exhaust does come with this aftermarket remote where you can open and close the valves from the remote. However, we hooked it up to the M1 and M2 button just because it's a little more OEM plus. Ooh, I like the tone.
This
thing is fucking stupid.
No, it moves.
I don't know how you really get like bored of this. Misfire. That was misfires. Turn that bitch off, turn her back on. That right there, fellas.
That's a misfire.
That's misfires. That's what you don't want to.
BMW stuff. You know, the typical turn it off, turn it back on.
I mean, bro, not even that much, huh?
I want to get one more good flyby for that boy.
And don't hit it till you're right next to him. And don't hit anti-lag. Just roll into it.
I didn't hit anti-lag there.
You didn't?
No.
It just spun? Like that That didn't feel fast to you?
I mean, it feels fast, but I'm used to it, you know? I ain't like shitting my pants over it. Bro, this is the most fun car I've ever been in.
It's like you also got crazy good brakes too.
Yeah, no, this shit slows down, bro.
Like you'll be going from about 300 miles per hour
In Mexico.
300 miles an hour to like nothing. Like a lot of cars, you grab the brakes and you feel a little uneasy with it, but these, it just noses you down and f***ing pulls you. It's cool. That boy.
Oh my God, bro.
Hey.
I saw that through the camera.
Oh my God, bro. That is insane, bro. Holy shit.
Like spark, like
I didn't even hit anti-lag. CenCal exhaust shoots flames, bro.
It does.
And there you guys have it. Now you finally heard the CenCal Motorsport stainless steel valve catback exhaust, and it sounds insane. You guys saw that crazy flame that it shot. I honestly think that this exhaust system makes this car a little bit less raspy and just tones it out to a perfect exhaust note. If you like this exhaust, it's available at the link down in the description, CenCalMotorsport.com. We'll catch you guys in the next one.